Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. Sorry I took a little pause from YouTube for a little bit. I just had some stuff going on in my life that made it difficult for me to film, but I'm back now and I have a very exciting video. Damien got me this new cookbook while I was away at a team seminar. I have been wanting this cookbook for so long. I literally think it's been more than a year, maybe 2 years. Since I first saw and fell in love with this book. It's a recipe book by Jina, Jung, and it is a little bit pricey. It's 30 euros, which is why I hesitated for so long getting it. But yeah, Damien surprised me with it while I was away, which was so sweet of him. But yeah, I had flipped through the recipes in this book and they look so good. I love Korean food and there were so many new recipes in here. So we're gonna test some of them out today. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's go ahead for a full day of eating Korean food and let's get started with breakfast.
For breakfast, we are making kimchi bokkeumbap, which is stir-fried kimchi with rice. To start, I cut up some of the white part of a leek into really small pieces. Then I heated some oil on a pan. Stir-fried the leek until it got really fragrant. And then I added the kimchi into the pan. Added some of the sugar and had that stir fry until the kimchi got rather dry. I decided to have breakfast in this really cute handmade ceramic bowl that my friend now got me from Japan. So to serve, I added some white rice to the bowl. Topped it up with some of the kimchi that we just stir-fried. Added in a raw egg yolk and topped it with some spring onions. And that's breakfast served.
Okay, here is breakfast. I think I've never had raw egg before, so this is really exciting. Just going to mix it into the rice, so hopefully the heat of the rice cooks it for a little bit. It's really good. I love the creaminess that the egg brings to the rice. Really enjoy this breakfast. Okay, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my breakfast and I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye! Hi everyone, Damien and I are gonna go out for a little walk, but I recently got this super cute to-go cup that I want to take out with me, so I'm gonna make a fun little drink for us to have on our walk. So I got this recently at the Korean mart, so I'm gonna make a little bit of ginger tea to take with us. Okay, let's go.
For lunch, we are having kimchi mayo tteokbokki, which is a Korean tuna rice bowl. To start, I scrambled some eggs in a pan. Then I added some canned tuna to a bowl. And to that I added some soy sauce, some sugar, some gochugaru, which is Korean red chili flakes, and some garlic powder. I gave that all a good mix and then set that aside. To assemble the bowl, I added a layer of rice to the bottom and then topped it up with some lettuce, the scrambled eggs, some mayo. I used Japanese mayo here. And then a scoop of the tuna that we mixed earlier. I topped it off with some shredded seaweed flakes, and some sesame seeds. And that's lunch served.
Here it is, our kimchi mayo tteokbokki. Let's dig in.
Yeah, it looks very good.
Thank you. There's rice at the bottom, by the way.
Okay, so no mixing and trying to get everything. Ooh, it's
Interesting.
nice, I like.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Nice mix of tuna and egg and everything else. Very good, I like.
Thank you.
We're gonna watch something.
See you at dinner.
For dinner, we are having Jajjang tteokbokki, which is black bean stir-fried rice cakes. To get started, we are soaking our rice cakes in some water and letting that sit for 20 minutes.
Hey Google, set timer for 20 minutes.
And then it's time to prep all the vegetables, so we are needing some cabbage, carrot, onion, and a stem of spring onion. We're gonna chop everything all up.
Stop.
I also cut some Korean fish cakes into small little bits. And then it's time to fry everything all up. So in a large pan, I added in some oil as well as the black bean paste. I let that cook for a little bit before adding in some of the white part of a leek and cooking that until it's fragrant. And then I added in some vegan fake bacon. This one is from my favorite brand, La Vie. And when that was cooked, I added in the rest of the vegetables and had that stir fry for a little bit. Then I added in the fish cakes as well as the black bean paste that we were cooking just earlier. I gave everything a good mix. And then added in the rice cakes as well as some of the water that it was soaking in into the mixture. I gave everything a good mix once again and let it cook down until most of the water was gone and it was kind of a saucy stir fry. And that was dinner.
Okay, we have our Jajjang tteokbokki. It was my first time cooking anything Jajjang, so this is very exciting.
What does it mean, Jajjang?
It's black bean paste.
Ooh.
Very good.
Good. How would you rate it out of 5?
4. No?
I think me 3.
3?
It's good. Better than average, that is 2.5. But the taste of this paste is not. It's very mild. It's good.
I accept your rating. So I think that is going to be it from today. I had so much fun trying recipes from the cookbook, and I have some more that I will want to try, so I'm very excited to give them a go. Thank you again, Damien, for buying me this cookbook. Mwah.
You're welcome.
But yeah, we're going to enjoy the rest of our dinner, enjoy the rest of our Sunday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!